Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a stylish and functional solution for organizing your media collection, the QILICZ CD and DVD holder. If you've ever struggled with cluttered shelves or desks stacked with CDs, DVDs, or even small books and stationery, this compact storage solution might be just what you need. This holder is crafted from high-quality wood with a polished and painted finish, offering both durability and a touch of rustic charm. Measuring just 14.5 inches wide, 7 inches tall, and 6.3 inches deep, it's designed to save space while providing ample storage. Despite its small footprint, it can hold up to 35 standard DVD cases, making it perfect for music enthusiasts, movie collectors, and anyone looking to organize their space efficiently. One of the standout features of this CD rack is its retro hollow-out design. This not only adds visual appeal but also allows it to blend seamlessly into various settings. Whether it's your home office, living room, bedroom, or even a study area, the design is functional as well as decorative, offering a vintage aesthetic that complements a variety of interior styles. The holder is built with a sturdy metal frame, ensuring long-term stability and support. It also features two removable wooden dividers, which make organizing and categorizing your collection simple and mess-free. Whether you want to separate CDs from DVDs or group your favorite albums together, these dividers give you flexibility and ease of use. Additionally, two thoughtfully designed handles make it portable, so you can move it around effortlessly whenever needed. But this CD holder is more than just media storage. Its versatile design means you can use it to store office supplies, small books, medicines, or other desk essentials. It's a multifunctional organizer that helps declutter your environment while keeping your items accessible. Assembly is required, but it's straightforward, and once set up, the unit is ready to go right on your countertop or desk. It's lightweight, weighing just over 2 pounds, yet robust enough to hold your entire collection securely. The cubby shelf design makes it easy to slide items in and out, giving you quick access to your favorite media or essentials. If you're looking for a practical gift for a music or movie lover, this holder also makes an excellent choice. Its combination of functionality, style, and portability ensures that it's a thoughtful and useful addition to any home or office. In summary, this holder is a space-saving, versatile, and stylish solution for organizing your CDs, DVDs, and more. Its retro design, sturdy construction, and removable dividers provide a perfect balance between functionality and aesthetics. Whether you're decluttering your workspace, enhancing your living area, or just looking for a stylish way to store your media, this CD rack stands out as a practical and elegant choice. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product insights.